Today is our last day in Ninh Binh. We booked a boat tour at Trang An and we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. Looks like we might be on a boat with someone else. You could book a private one, but I don't think we did that. So we might share a boat. We might need life jackets. They need to provide that to all.
Okay. Made it through the checkpoint. Must be good.
Yeah, look to the front, look to the front. Don't look at the driver, okay? They are very shy.
We are our first stop of our boat tour. Does it feel being on the boat?
It's relaxing.
Liking it so far?
It's amazing how this is all out here.
Yeah,
This is just in
the middle of like
the middle of nowhere in the
Yeah.
mountains.
But look at this. Looks like a. Imagine if this was your pool. But it's a koi pond. So now we're gonna head back to the boat, go see what else there is to offer. I don't know how they could do it. Got a row for 3 hours with 4 people on there. It is crazy. there. Okay, so we're made it to another temple. There goes our captain over there. We're paddling with him, make it a little bit easier.
Jack Sparrow.
But I doubt we were useful. So now we're gonna go check out this temple. It's kind of hot on the boat.
And it cleared up and now it's hot.
Yeah, it's warm. There's a bridge. Very nice. So this is our second temple. It's our second stop. We're almost done with the tour. It's very nice here. If you guys ever come to Ninh Binh, you guys should try the tour, the boat tour. It's very nice. Look at these turtles. Whoa, it's a little slippery. I'm not sure what these are. We've been seeing them. These things right here. If anybody knows what they are, please leave it in the comments below. I would like to know. How you liking this tour so far?
The tour, yeah, it's nice.
Will you recommend it?
I would recommend it. It's longer than I thought.
Yeah.
That other one, Route 1, is pretty long. This is like half the amount.
Well, both of them are the same like duration, 3 hours. So you could pick 3 routes. Route 1, Route 2, Route 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they're all 3 hours. We ended up going with Scenic Route 2, which they make stops to temples. But it's just crazy how it's like there's a temple in like kind of in between like what, like rocks?
Like pockets of caves.
Yeah.
Like we just went through this cave to get here. And I'm sure there's another cave over there. So it's like a hidden temple. It looks like there's 2 temples here. We need to walk to the other one. So more than halfway through. And there's so much like construction going on. It's like there's so many boats on the river. Like, this place is busy.
And it's not even the high season. Let's go check it out over here. Seems like there's some construction. Go that way. Oh, my legs are still sore from yesterday. I really don't want to go in there because I'm wearing shorts and I know you gotta be covered up to go into the temple. So then after the boat tour, we got a bus to catch.
Stay tuned for our next destination. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified when we drop a new video.
But this construction is crazy. Like there's like carvings on the wood. It's crazy.
Let's turn.
That was really hard work.
Yeah, we were helping and I'm exhausted.
We only helped for a little bit. He did most of it.
Getting a callus, I think. We gave him 500,000 dong, which is about 20 bucks.
He handled that boat like a boss. Now to get out of here because we got a bus to catch. Gotta be there around 5:45. And it's 4:25. But we still gotta get something to eat too. Closing up shop. Yeah, I think they close at 4:30. So we were probably on one of the last boat rides. So here's the exit, right?
Yeah, we were on this bridge. Beautiful, guys.
It was worth it. It was only 10 bucks for each of us, but totally worth it.
So we don't walk into the glass.
Yeah.
That completes our time in Ninh Binh. We're off to the bus station now. If you like these videos, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell so you get notified each time we upload. Thanks. See you on the next one.
Bye.